38 will be about 3 months.
So these
Damn, that's a big gun.
iron pin was on the hammer.
Thank you.
Total six. And whack that hammer, break it. Because it was
Full power. How we did it, I'll never know.
Yeah, I agree.
so
Second hand.
there's, but if they had the gun in the holster and they're just riding along,
That's right, it could go.
maybe 5 shots in.
Yeah.
If they're in the middle of a gunfight, well, just start off.
That's worth filing alias.
It took me. It was a year before I had everything my own. It was the last thing I bought.
Yeah, I mean, I would.
Now you're talking.
I just was just doing some rough.